Discrimination is defined as the process by which two stimuli differing in some aspect are responded to differently because of that aspect. In the past, racism and sexism have affected the human population, but now speciesism is currently affecting all the different creatures on the planet. Instead of discrimination based on ethnicity or sex, speciesism is a failure in the attitude or practice to accord any non-human being equal consideration and respect. This leads to the use of animals for food and test subjects. In the food industry, certain species have been technically chosen based on the subconscious notion that human-like species are inherently better. Because of this, mammals are often treated more humanely than poultry and seafood. Cows are desensitized before being killed and processed, while seafood, on the other hand, is kept alive until it can be dismembered and packaged to ensure the freshness we find in the supermarket. Front-facing eyes, paternal instincts, and live birth lead us to have a larger connection with cows than with the cold, scaly exterior of a fish. In the same way our friends tend to have similar interests as us, the animals we tend to favor have comparable traits. Everything from shampoo to medicine is tested on animals to discover the harmful effects they might have. Unfortunately, the great differences in anatomy limit the amount we can learn from these tests, and the product still has to be tested on humans. There is little that cannot be done in a study, even if it results in the suffering or death of the subject, as long as it can be justified as helpful by the researcher. Why should we test products we believe are too dangerous for humans on other species? Man can adopt the mentality that non-humans are mere objects to test and collect data from, far more easily than man can adopt this idea with fellow men. Researchers can distance themselves from the pain felt by non-human test subjects because they do not look and act like humans, therefore do not register pain in the same way. So what makes a speciesist? Those who think this question can be answered simply because they are not human have a speciesist viewpoint. This idea could implicate the entire world's population as speciesists in some way or another.